Hi to all employers. My name is Jenaline Dasalia, 41 years old, mother of 3, ages 4, 6, and 7. I worked in Singapore about 13 years. My first employer was a Chinese. I worked for them for 4 years, finished contract. My duty to them is to clean the house, do the washing, ironing, and sometimes went to market and also take care of their kids. The second one is a Dutch African family. I worked for them for 5 years, but then they immigrate to Australia. That's why I transferred to a Korean family. My duty with them is only clean the house. I didn't take care of the kids because they say that they already grown up and they're a little bit independent. So my duty is to clean the house. The third one is a Korean family. I worked for them for 4 years, finished contract. And now I want to go abroad again to help my husband to financial so that we can support our needs of our kids. And I hope you will choose me and promise to finish my contract, and God bless.